Hello everybody, hope you all are fine, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and do press bell icon. Okay students, so let's start today's lecture. आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आऊँ लेक्चर नंबर 10. तो आज हम करेंगे डी ब्रॉगली रिलेशन और व्हाट इज डी ब्रॉगली प्रिंसिपल. कल हमने किया था हेजनबर्ग अनसर्टेनिटी प्रिंसिपल, उससे ही कुछ रिलेटेड है डी ब्रॉगली रिलेशनशिप. ठीक है, हेजनबर्ग अनसर्टेनिटी प्रिंसिपल 1927 में दिया गया था और जो डी ब्रॉगली रिलेशनशिप है इट केम इन 1924. ओके, सो लेट्स start the lecture. First of all, what is de Broglie relationship? Actually, in 1924, it was believed that light exists in two characters, particle character as well as wave character, and this nature of light is called dual nature. Okay, so at the time of 1924, what was believed that light is of light having two characters, wave character as well as particle character, and that double character of light is called dual nature. Dual means wave as well as particle nature. So by seeing this light behave as two characters, wave character as well as particle character, in 1924 a scientist whose name is de Broglie, he suggests that just like light, all microscopic particles in motion, which are the microscopic particles like electrons, protons, molecules, atoms, they also behave like light. Means like light, the microscopic bodies like electron, proton, atoms and molecules, they also have two type of character, and it is wave character and particle character. So this relationship was given by the scientist whose name is de Broglie, and the relation is derived by this scientist. That relation is called de Broglie relationship. Okay, so let's start. This is the just introduction part of the de Broglie relationship. So what is de Broglie relationship? What is de Broglie law or rule or principle? According to de Broglie, all microscopic particles or bodies like electrons, protons, atoms, molecules, when they are in motion, they behave two type of characters. They show two type of character, wave as well as particle nature, and that double character of microscopic particle just like light is called dual character, and it was shown by the scientist by giving a relationship, and that is called de Broglie relationship. I hope इतना आपको लग गया पता. तो चलिए आगे लिखते हैं है क्या ये de Broglie relationship. थोड़ा थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट करते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम राइटिंग हियर, according to de Broglie, what is according to de Broglie, all microscopic bodies means which can't be seen by naked eye like electron, proton, atoms, molecules. Okay, all material particles, all microscopic bodies are material bodies in motion possess wave character in motion possess wave character. Okay, in motion possess wave character. ठीक है, अप टू 1924 इतना तो मान चुके थे साइंटिस्ट कि जो आपका माइक्रोस्कोपिक पार्टिकल्स है व्हेन दे आर इन मोशन दे आर ऑफ विच नेचर, दे आर ऑफ पार्टिकल नेचर. ठीक है, यहां तक प्रूव हो चुका था. बट डी ब्रोगली ने आगे प्रूव कर दिया कि जस्ट लाइक लाइट all microscopic bodies also possess wave character. Okay, and this is the de Broglie relationship rule or principle. Okay, so all microscopic or material bodies in motion possess wave character. It was shown by the de Broglie. Okay, तो डी ब्रोगली ने किसी भी माइक्रोस्कोपिक बॉडी की जो वेव लेंथ है उसको कैसे फाइंड किया. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू डी ब्रोगली द wavelength of a microscopic बॉडी इज, उसने किसी भी माइक्रोस्कोपिक बॉडी की वेवलेंथ को कैसे डिनोट किया. ये गिवन वेवलेंथ को लिखते हैं लैम्डा के साथ. लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू, हे राइट द रिलेशन इज h ओवर मास इनटू वेलोसिटी. ओके, सो व्हाट इज, अगर इसको आगे और करें हम, लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू h m into v. m into v is momentum. Okay, so this is your de Broglie relationship which tell us, de Broglie relationship हमें क्या बताती है, किसी भी माइक्रोस्कोपिक बॉडी की वेवलेंथ कैसे फाइंड करनी है वो बताती है हमें. वेवलेंथ को लैम्डा के साथ लिखा है. h is a constant, Planck's constant. p is a momentum in which mass and velocity occur. Mass is the microscopic mass is having the microscopic body. ठीक है, and v is the velocity of that body. Okay, so what is this? This is lambda. And it is the sign of wavelength. What is h? H is the constant. Name of that constant is Planck's constant, and it has a value. H is equal to 6.63 into 10 raised to power minus 34. 6.63 into 10 raised to power minus 34 kilogram meter square per second. Meter square per second. Okay, so this is your de Broglie relationship. What is de Broglie? The wavelength of any microscopic bodies will be calculated by this formula. Lambda is equal to h upon p. P is m into v. M is the mass of the microscopic body. V is the velocity of that body. Okay, now we will derive this equation, how it came. Okay, so let's start. So now we will derive the de Broglie relationship. Okay, so एक scientist है, whose name is Planck's. According to Planck's, energy of a photon of light, it is equal to E is equal to h into nu. Okay, what is this? Energy of photon of light. Okay, so this is equation first, and in this equation what is E? E is the energy of photon H, you know that it is Planck's constant, and nu is the frequency. Okay, it is the frequency of light. Now there was another scientist whose name is Einstein. He gave a relationship between mass and the velocity, energy, mass and energy, how related with itself. Okay, so according to him, E is equal to, it is very famous relationship, E is equal to mc square. Okay, so what is this? It is also called mass energy equivalence relation. ओके, तो ये आपकी आ गई इक्वेशन नंबर 2. ये इक्वेशन नंबर 1, किसी भी लाइट के फोटोन की एनर्जी होती है E इज इक्वल टू एच इंटू न्यू. ओके, और सिमिलरली किसी माइक्रोस्कोपिक बॉडी की एनर्जी हम फाइंड करें E इज इक्वल टू एम सी स्क्वायर. दिस इक्वेशन गिवन बाय आइंस्टाइन एंड दिस इक्वेशन इज गिवन बाय मैक्स प्लैंक. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग 1 and 2, what is C here? E is energy, m is mass, c is the velocity of light. Okay, now from 1 and 2, दोनों सेम है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इधर भी एनर्जी है, इधर भी एनर्जी है, दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे, क्या आएगा फिर? एच न्यू इज इक्वल टू एम सी स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ इफ यू नो दैट velocity is equal to frequency into wavelength. Okay, we know that this is your equation number 3. Okay, we know that velocity is equal to wavelength into frequency. Okay, so from here we can calculate frequency is equal to, so frequency is equal to C over lambda. So we have what we have, frequency is equal to C upon lambda. Okay, put this in equation number 3. What is equation number 3? Equation 3 is H into nu is equal to mc square. Now in place of nu we will put C upon lambda. Therefore H into C upon lambda is equal to mc square. So we know that nu is equal to C upon lambda. Okay, so from here what we have, C is cancel out by this C, so we have H upon lambda is equal to m into C. Okay, if we keep lambda here and mc here, so we have lambda is equal to H upon mc. Okay, so this is a de Broglie relation for light. Okay, so the equation is valid for a photon. This equation is valid for photon. This equation is valid for photon. Okay, so we have now equation number 4. So we have equation number 4. What is equation number 4? जो अभी हमने फाइंड की है, इट इज लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू h अपॉन m इंटू सी. देन डी ब्रॉगली suggests that on substituting, de Broglie suggested that on substituting the mass and velocity of a particle in equation 4, this equation can also be applicable for a microscopic body or material body. Okay, so in place of this m, we can put the mass of any electron, proton, atom, molecule, any microscopic body. In place of c, we can put the velocity of that body. So now lambda is equal to h is equal to m into v. So this is your final de Broglie relationship. So this is de Broglie relationship. I hope it is clear to all of you. So from here what we can suggest, lambda is equal to, you know that m into v is, it is momentum and h is constant. So here lambda is inversely proportional to p. So p is a momentum, it means wavelength is inversely proportional to the momentum of the body. So it means wavelength is inversely proportional to the momentum. Okay, so only this much for today lecture. So what we did yesterday, today we did the de Broglie relationship. Okay, एक बार दोबारा बताता हूँ आपको de Broglie relationship क्या होती है. de Broglie relation जो आपकी है, it came in which year? 1924, and it is given by scientist de Broglie. According to him, all microscopic bodies like electron, proton, atom, molecules, when they are in motion, they possess two type of character. Which are the two type of character? Wave character as well as particle character. Actually up to 1924 it was proved that microscopic particle in motion, they behave like particles. Okay, but it was not proven that they behave as a wave, and it was shown by the scientist de Broglie by his derivation named de Broglie relationship, and it is equal to lambda is equal to h upon m into b. So I hope आज का लेक्चर आपको अंडरस्टूड हो गया होगा. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and share it with your friends, relatives, neighbors all around. Okay, thanks to all of you for watching this video and stay safe.